What's up, fam? This your boy Jay to the R coming at you again with another video. So, in a previous video, in fact, it was the video before the last one, we started mixing the song I did called Flex in Cubase 9.5. Go back and check out that video. It's about me adding EQ and compression. So, in this video, we are going to be adding reverb and some delay. So I'm going to show you how I use reverb and delay in Cubase 9.5. And these are all the stock plugins. You don't need to buy waves. You don't need to steal waves. Just use the stock plugins and you will be okay. So anyway, let's dig right into it. So off in the coop, I'm stacking this loot. You off of the root. You niggas is new. You niggas is blue. I'm killing the room. So the first thing we're gonna start with is let's get the chorus popping. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. So we're gonna add. Let's go ahead and add the reverb channel. I may as well just go ahead and add it right now. You only got one, so sometimes when you have all of these different options, you can kind of confuse yourself. Sometimes you can work better when you have no options but very few. Like that reverb. There's only reverb in here. So guess what? I don't have to scroll down trying to figure out what's better. We gonna make this reverb work. We add that. And we may as well go ahead and add the delay. We'll do the ping pong delay. There we go. So now that we got those added, let's start out with the reverb on the main chorus. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. Nigga beat. What I be doing? And we'll say it's that one. So let's go over here. Add reverb. Activate it. See what it sounds like. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. Nigga beat. What I be doing? Nigga be. That's what I'm doing. Watch me. That reverb is okay, but let's see what kind of presets. Bright plate. Let's see. What else do we got? Vintage plate reverb. Let's see what that sounds like. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. Nigga beat. Let's stay with that. Now let's go back here to this channel and adjust the volume on it. We're gonna do it pre-fader. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. Nigga beat. What I be doing? And sometimes when I'm soloing and adding reverb, I'll turn it up a little bit more than what it sounds like it should be, because when you soloing, it's gonna really show. But when you're playing the whole song, you may not hear that much reverb. So let's turn that up a little bit. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. Let's unsolo that and let's see what it sounds like. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. See what I mean? You can't even really hear it. So let's go up to edit. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. Nigga beat. What I be doing? Nigga be. That's what I'm doing. Watch me. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. Nigga beat. And it's really all about taste. So we're gonna leave that right there for now. Let's see what that sounds like. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. Nigga beat. What I be doing? Okay, so we got that. I don't think I'm gonna add any delay into that. I'm pretty much just gonna add the delay into the individual ad-lib tracks for the chorus. That would be these two. So let's go straight to there. We may or may not do reverb. let's do this one first.
Flex on them, 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 flex on them.
That's trash.
Flex on them.
Let's see. Let's change that up.
Flex on them, 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 flex on them.
Kind of like that because it's nice and short. So we'll leave that where it is. Let's do post fader on that.
Flex on them, flex on them. Flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex on them,
what I be doing?
flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex on them,
that's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Watch me,
flex on them,
what I be doing?
flex on them.
That's what I'm. It's very subtle. I like the subtleness. It kind of adds a vibe rather than a sound sometimes. Sometimes that's what you want. So let's come over here to the second one. We want to do something. Let's add some delay on that. Activate it.
Flex on them,
Yeah.
flex on them,
Yeah.
flex on them,
Yeah.
Flex
Yeah.
flex on them.
So on this one, I kind of want to add a different delay. So we aren't going to use the delay on the bus. We're going to add a mono delay on this individual track.
Flex on them,
Yeah.
flex on them,
Yeah.
flex on them,
Yeah.
flex on them, flex on them,
Yeah.
flex on them. Flex on them,
What I be doing?
flex on them,
That's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex on them,
what I be doing?
flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex on them,
that's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Watch me,
flex on them,
what I be doing?
flex on them,
That's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex,
let's see what that sounds like with all of them together.
flex on them,
What I be doing?
flex on them,
That's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex on them,
what I be doing?
flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex on them,
that's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Watch me,
flex on them,
what I be doing?
flex on them,
That's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex on them.
what I be doing? Okay, and let's preview the whole thing one more again.
Flex on them,
What I be doing?
flex on them,
That's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Nigga, I always want to say period.
flex on them,
What I be doing?
flex on them,
That's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex on them,
what I be doing?
flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex on them,
that's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Watch me,
flex on them,
what I be doing?
flex on them,
That's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex on them,
what I be doing?
flex on them,
Nigga be,
flex on them,
that's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Watch me,
flex on them.
yeah. I come with the beat, yeah. I got the heat. You're facing defeat. Okay, so we got the chorus, and let's come over here with and do the lead verse.
Flex on them,
What I be doing?
flex on them,
That's what I'm doing.
flex on them,
Nigga be. Now on this one,
flex on them,
watch me.
flex on them.
Yeah. I come with the beat, yeah. I got the heat. You're facing defeat. Get under my feet. Your girl get to me, yeah. She swallowed the beef. I put it on tape. I send it your way. Okay, so that's what that sounds like. So now we're gonna come over here on the sub, not the individual lead. On the sub, let's see what that sounds like. Yeah. I come with the beat, yeah. I got the heat. You're facing defeat. Get under my feet. Your girl get the meat, yeah. She swallowed the beef. I put it on tape. I send it your way. I got the swag. I got the bag. I got the fans. I'm stuck in these bands. They say I'm conceited. I say I believe it. So don't you forget it. Take two to defeat it. A little bit crazy. Never been lazy. I don't like too much reverb on my lead. Just kind of subtle. I want to hear it just a little bit. Watch me. Yeah. I come with the beat. Yeah. I got the heat. You're facing defeat. Get under my feet. Your girl get the meat. Yeah. She swallowed the beef. I put it on tape. I send it. Okay. So we're gonna leave that as is. Now let's come over here to that ad lib. This first ad lib, and I'm gonna, even though I have a bus. Do I have a bus? No, I don't have a bus for the ad lib. Good, I don't need it. So let's come over here to this one and add a little delay. See if I want this.
Yeah. Hey. Coming to be. I got the heat. You're facing defeat. No. Go get the meat. Swallow the beat. Yeah. Send it your work. Niggas be hate. I got the play. I got the swag. I got the back, fan.
Turn it all the way up on that one. Let's see what this sound like. Watch me. Yeah. I come with the beat. Yeah. I got the heat. You're facing defeat. Get under my feet. Your girl get the meat. Yeah. She swallowed the beef. I put it on tape. I send it your way. Niggas behave. Cause I got the play. I got the swag. I got the bag. I got the fans. I'm stuck in these bands. They say I'm conceited. I say I believe it. So don't you forget it. Take two to defeat it. A little bit crazy. Never been lazy. You hate. So this is the other one. I got two. Yeah. I come with the beat. Yeah. I got the heat. You're facing defeat. Get under my feet.
Come.
Ping pong delay on.
Yeah. Ha. Say it.
Get it. Take two to defeat it. A little bit crazy. Never been lazy. You haters don't fade. And we're gonna add some reverb onto this particular track. Watch me. Yeah. I got the heat. You're facing defeat. Get under my feet. Your girl get the meat. She swallowed the beef. I put it on tape. I send it your way. Niggas behave. Cause I got the play. I got the swag. I got the bag. I got the fans. I'm stuck in these bands. They say I'm conceited. I say I believe it. So don't you forget it. Take two to defeat it. A little bit crazy. Okay, so I think I need to turn my ad libs down a little bit. They're kind of overbearing. Your ad libs you want to be subtle, not that much in your face. So let's crank it down some. Watch me. Get under my feet. Your girl get the meat. Yeah. She swallowed the beef. I put it on tape. I send it your way. Niggas behave. Cause I got the play. I got the swag. I got the bag. That sounds a lot better. And really pretty much what I'm trying to do with the ad libs is kind of fill up space to where it seems like it's a lot going on in the verse where it really ain't too much of nothing. I'm trying to, like in the verse I'm talking about, I send in your way, space, space. trying to fill all of that in to where it sounds like kind of keep you up, trying to keep you up a notch. Get under my feet. Your girl get to me. She swallowed the beef. Now let's take this ad lib out. I'm gonna show you what it sounds like. What it would sound like if I didn't have all that in the song. Get under my feet. Your girl get to me. She swallowed the beef. I put it on tape. I send it your way. Niggas behave. Cause I got to play. I got the swag. I mean, that can sound alright, but let's listen to it with the ad lib. Get under my feet. Your girl get to me. She swallowed the beef. I put it. I just think it sounds more complete with the ad lib. So I think that's good for the reverb and the delay on the verses and the chorus. Now in this song I have kind of like a little pre-chorus. And so let's get that popping. See if what I want to do with that. Flex, 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 flex. Now in this, I already know that I kind of want a lot of delay. So we're gonna add on the sub channel a delay. I'm not gonna use the delay I added on the send. I want this, because I want a different one. Flex, 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 flex. Okay, so this is a stereo delay. I think this is gonna work for this. It's going back and forth in your ear. So if you're listening on headphones, which most of us do, it's gonna be a good vibe. Let's see what that sounds like. Flex, 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 flex. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. Nigga. Just a good measure. Let's add a little reverb on the middle one. Flex, 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 flex. Kind of like that. It turned out well. Flex, 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 flex. Flex, 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 flex. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. Nigga be. What I be doing? Nigga be. That's what I'm doing. Watch me. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing. Nigga be. Okay. So I think that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. So in this video, I showed you how I use reverb and delay. As you can see, it really don't take that long. I could tweak it. You know, if I was by the hour, somebody was paying me by the hour, you know, you may want to tweak it a little more just to get them more minutes. But, you know, I don't know if I can get it too much better than that. Maybe if I tried to tweak with the presets a little bit more. But when you got good presets, let's just keep it popping. Because at the end of the day, the end user, the end listener is probably not going to really know the difference anyway. Only other producers and other performers. But anyway, this your boy J to the R. Subscribe below. I'm out. The next video will probably go over the I don't know, it really ain't too much more to do. Probably play with like the master channel. See if we can get some EQ, some compression, and balance the whole track out. But anyway, this your boy J to the R. I'm signing off. Holla at your boy. Subscribe. Peace. Flex, 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 flex. What I be doing? That's what I'm doing.